Do you know your hair can cause you depression when no matter how you've washed and maintained your hair, you still suffer from dandruff, from dryness of hair, and your scalp is always scratching you? This was my situation months back. But after I found some of these things that I'll be sharing with you guys, this helped my hair problems. If you notice, at the beginning of the video, I was showing you guys my scarf. There is no dandruff anymore, and I was not scratching my hair. In fact, this braid, I carried it for about 2 months. If it's before, I can't even carry hair for 3 weeks, 2 weeks maximum. I will be scratching and I will just want to lose the hair. I will be so frustrated. But after using this product, I feel good. And so that is why I want all my besties to also use this product, especially those with my hair type, 4C hair type, and are keeping natural, to enjoy their natural hair and to be proud of it. So I mixed neem powder, rosemary, and hibiscus powder. I boil it for some minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Then I keep the water to cool off before applying it on my hair. And while applying it, I massage my hair and also allow it to soak into my hair. Then I close my hair for 1 to 2 hours before going to the shower to wash off the product. I wash it thoroughly. In the process of washing out the mixture, I allow my hair to be soaked with water so that it can be soft before applying my shampoo. And when I apply the shampoo, I don't scratch my scalp so hard. I wash it, but yeah, you wash it to be neat, but don't scratch it too hard because it will tangle your hair. And while you are trying to comb your hair after washing, you will find it very difficult, and which is not good. So after washing my shampoo out, I apply my conditioner, and I will apply it for some minutes. I'll keep it on my hair for some minutes. I apply it gently, try to apply it everywhere so that it will enter my hair. Then I'll leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes before washing it out also. After I'm done washing my hair, the next thing now is to apply my shea butter. This is my shea butter. It will help my hair to become soft and it will be easy to comb. So this place, I apply the shea butter all around my hair, and as you can see, my hair is already stretching after applying the shea butter. Like it's stretching, it will be so easy to comb. So the next thing I do to maintain my hair is to mix my oils. Some people apply it differently, like apply it one after the other, but no, I don't like applying it one after the other. I feel it's stressful, so I just mix everything together in a bottle, then apply it at once. I mix castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, and also rosemary oil. All this oil that I'm mixing have their benefits on your hair. Castor oil softens your hair. Coconut, olive, and tea tree oil helps to clear your dandruff. And also, if your scalp is always itching you or you are always scratching your scalp, it helps to stop it. Then rosemary oil is just everything. It helps for hair growth. It helps to stop dandruff. A lot of things that rosemary oil does to your hair. So I mix them and apply them to my hair evenly. After applying the oil, I stretch my hair with my hands before combing it, and you see my hair is so soft here and it's easy to comb. The last thing that I do is to braid my hair. You can pack it, you can braid it if you know how to braid yourself. So my braiding is not that beautiful, but I always prefer braiding my hair immediately after washing and oiling my hair, because it will help to stretch your hair when you are ready to make a new hair. And also, if you go to bed like that without braiding or catching your hair, it will just tangle back and you start combing your hair again. And combing your hair always, it's not good for your hair growth. It won't help your hair to grow. So after braiding, I apply the remaining oil to my hair. So I hope this video is useful and helpful to everyone with 4C type hair, and also to anyone that wants to rock their natural hair. This is a proof that you can rock your natural hair without stress. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button. Bye bye.